Today in phonics, we are going to be looking at the letters O, W and the sound it makes. Here I have a sentence. The cow is eating in a bowl. The cow is eating in a bowl. Now, what do you notice about the words in this sentence? Do you notice anything that is the same? I'm sure you would notice that the word cow has OW and the word bowl has OW. But we are going to read it again. The cow is eating in a bowl. So although we have OW here and we have the same letters here, we are hearing different sounds. The OW here, ow, it makes the OU sound. And remember, last week we did OU. OU says ow. So this OW in cow, you are hearing the short sound of the vowel O, cow. And in bowl, you are hearing the long sound of the vowel O. Now today we are going to focus on only one of these sounds. And we are going to focus on the OW as in cow. So we are looking at the ow sound of OW. So let us look at the video and we are going to read words with this sound. Here we have crowd, a crowd of people, and a clown. So we are hearing the ow sound. As we continue, we have some paint. And what is the color of the paint? The paint is brown. The man is taking a shower. So we have ow in brown and ow in shower. Here we have an owl. An owl. And this face, it's not a happy face. The face has a frown. So we have owl, we hear the ow, and then we have frown, we hear ow. Here we have a tower, tower, and a town. So we hear ow in tower and ow in town. Here we have a flower, so you're hearing ow, and gown. The girl is wearing a graduation gown. So we have ow in flower and ow in gown.
Down. He fell down. Brown. My hat is brown. Ow. Cow. The cow went moo. Town. This is my town.
What have we learned so far? We have learned that the letters OW has two sounds. In bowl, and then we have cow. So we have OW in bowl and OW in cow. In bowl, you are hearing a long O sound. You are hearing O. And in cow, you are hearing a short O. You are hearing O, cow. And today we focused on only one sound. We focused on the ow sound, the short O sound. And ow, in OW, is the same sound as OU, ow. So we are going to look at some words now with the OW sound as in ow. Let us now read these words with the ow sound. We have cow, cow. Now, how, down, town, clown, brown, owl, tower, flower, shower. So you are going to pause the video and you are going to read the words all by yourself. I have come to the end of my lesson. Remember, children, always keep reaching for the stars.